sweet and sour pork. That's pork, guys. Sweet and sour pork. Enjoy watching, guys. Enjoy watching, everyone. Sweet and sour pork. Yan, guys, ang ating pagkain today. That's sweet and sour pork. Yan. Enjoy watching tayo mga langgo sa sweet and sour pork. Yan, guys, ang sarap sa awang natin. Sweet and sour pork. Enjoy, guys, sa sweet and sour pork. Yan, ganyan lang, guys. Ganyan lang, guys, ang ating kain for today. Kahit ganyan lang, guys, basta mayroon lang. Diba, guys? Ganun. Tapos magluluto tayo, guys, ng ating fried fish. Magluluto na tayo ng fried fish kasi mag-dinner na siya ng langga. Okay. Enjoy watching tayo, mga guwapa. Sweet and sour pork. Yeah, with bell pepper, carrots, and potato. See, it's so yummy, guys. This is the food for tonight. Yes, enjoy watching tayo, mga guwapa. I hope everyone is enjoy and also finish cooking or we finish eating, guys. Enjoy watching, mga langga. Mga langga, mga guwapa in this world. In this world. Yan. We have a sweet and sour. It's so yummy. Lagyan natin ng vinegar, guys, para na masarap yung lasa niya. Ganyan lang, guys, kunti lang para malasahan nila yung parang sarap. Mayroong vinegar yung ating ganito sweet and sour. Yes, sour. Para malasahan nila yung lasang masarap. Masarap to, guys, talaga, promise. Trust me, guys. Tapos, guys, magluto tayo ng fish. Fried fish. Thank you so much. Nilagay ko ng ano ko. Put ang vinegar. A little of vinegar. Yan ang sinasabi kong masarap. I just want to say, ang yummy, sweet and sour with potato, carrots, and bell pepper. Enjoy watching, mga langka. Enjoy watching. Diba, guys? Saan ka pa yan, guys? Diba, it's so yummy. If you want like that, guys, if you want to cook this, just thank you. Enjoy watching and God bless. Yan. Yan na, guys, ang ating pagkain for today. Ano lang natin, guys, taas natin ito para hindi siya maano ng init ba. Fried na naman tayo doon ng fish, guys. I fry also fish and area. Hello. Okay na yun guys, no? That's all guys. Thank you so much and get this guys. Yan lang guys naman natin. Kunting load ang po ng ating yan. Yan ano guys. Ito lang pagluto po pinag-ayos ko na ayaw ko na guys. Tapos di ba may mayroon na tayo dyan guys. And then guys okay na mga buwang papagwak ko. Ngayon guys, pwede na tayo guys maglagay ng pagkain. Ilagay na natin yung pagkain dito guys. Yan. Yummy. Ilagay na natin yung food. Diba guys, that's our good food. Konti lang yan guys kasi alam nyo hindi ko na yung sama kasi may ano pala. Ayaw nila kasi guys kumain ng parang madaming ano guys yung diba guys. Okay, enjoy watching and God bless. So saan ka pa niyan guys, lagyan natin ng konting sauce. Kasi alam nyo naman sila guys, ayaw nila yung maraming ano, ik-ik, burik-ik. Gusto na lang nila kasi sa food guys hindi maalat. They don't like the salty food. I will try if this is okay, the taste. You know, you need to try the taste before they give you. So yummy. Everything is so yummy. And of course the pork is very soft. I just kept some here guys. I'm not too full because you know we're not finished eating also. Thank you so much. Enjoy watching. You need to fry the guys. You need to fry the vegetables. Okay, guys, enjoy watching and God bless us. Guys, ito na yung vegetables natin guys. Oh, tingnan nyo yan guys. Yan. Ito guys, kunting fry lang ito guys. Okay na. Just a little fry and then finish, guys. Little fry. We don't put it too much, guys, because we don't not eat too much. We eat slowly, little. I will put in the little also. Okay, guys. I hope everyone is enjoyed and God bless us. Okay, thank you so much. God bless. Thank you. That's our food for today. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, yan na guys. I cooked. Everyone is okay. 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 I cook a little bit. Yeah. It's okay, but it's okay. Oh. It's okay, guys. That's our food. And of course, the fish. Fish, yummy. That's all, guys. Enjoy watching and God bless us. Kunti lang po, guys, kasi hindi ganda yung sugar. Sobrang luto, guys. Thank you so much for watching and God bless us everyone. Guys, lang ba? Alam ba? Kain ating mga langga. Okay. Everyone is enjoy. Okay. Thank you so much and God bless us, guys. Ngayon, guys, dito na naman tayo, guys. Okay? Dito na naman tayo. Maglagay tayo ng cauliflower, guys. Ayan, mga langga. Very simple lang po tayo, guys. Okay? Enjoy watching. And God bless us. Okay, guys. Okay, thank you so much and God bless us. Enjoy. God bless. And God bless. God bless. God bless. God bless, guys. Ay, meron pa natapon, guys. Okay na, everyone. Enjoy. Finish cooking. God bless us. Bye. Just sit. Okay, thank you so much.